In today's video, we're going to talk about an awesome kitty that used to ride the train. Just amazing. We're going to talk about Percy the cat. Look at all these rabbit footsies. Yeah, look at the rabbit footsies. Percy is a beautiful black kitty. Yes, he is. And he rides the North Bay Railroad every single day. Yes, he was originally a barn cat, and he was known for sleeping by the wood stove in the winter, and in the summer, leaving after breakfast and staying out all day. Annie and Yale Michael owned the kitty. They had no idea that kitty was taking a train. Yes, they just knew that he was gone. And they found out that he was taking the train by guessing by gosh when they saw him in the newspaper. Wow! He was getting all sorts of national and international publicity for riding the train. Yeah! So they live in Scarborough in North Yorkshire in the UK. Yes. Percy was riding the train there. He takes the train from Scarborough up to a really cool place. He walks a half mile to get to the train station to even take the train from the house. On the way, he's known by stopping by the golf club parking lot and getting treats. Yes, and he tends to sleep on the mat at the railway station once he first gets there. Then, when the train comes in, he boards the train. He takes a seat. Yes, and he heads down to the Sea Life Center. He watches the exhibits there, especially the pink ones, and he usually watches for between half an hour to around an hour. Then he goes around and he greets the office workers. He hangs out there until the train comes back around, and then he hops back on the train and he gets off at his stop. He rides it home every day. Yeah! The Michaels had no idea about this, and they found out one time through the newspaper, but also there was one day that they took that train and they were getting on while he was getting off, and he greeted them. They said that he greeted them just like any other passenger and then went off as usual right on his way. I think that's really amazing. And I wonder how much they would normally have charged him. But from what I can tell, he's getting to ride the train for free. He says I get special perks because I am a kitty. Yeah! And you are too, you darling Neffy. And I thank all of you for joining us and watching this video today. I thought it was so exciting to find out about that kitty. If you like the content of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell, so where you can see all of Nuffy Cat's videos, including those cute little wings. Such cute little wings. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you in